Get out of the water, John.
Hi, how you doing? Is it crystal clear?
It's clear as I can get it, son. There it is.
You know what that means, don't you, Johnny D?
That's an evac.
You look good.
Johnny D's not feeling too good right now. Just to let you know, I had to go back in the house to get some TP for him. So we're headed to a lake in Palmetto today. Palmetto, Georgia, that is. And it's a private lake, but we can fit a bass boat in there. So we've been there one time before with no cameras. We caught a bunch of dinks. But today we're hoping things are a little different. You know, it could have been a fluke. So you got to give it a second chance, and we'll see what happens. We'll see if we lock in some bigger. I'm hoping for at least 25 pounds today and 5 fish. What about y'all?
Sounds great to me. You got gas in the boat?
We need to gas the boat, we did.
Hey, I was just asking before we left the gas
We
station.
don't need any gas on this trip, and that's why I love these trips, because I'm not blowing a bunch of money. Look at this right here. See that? We're already at $20, and she ain't even a third of the way there yet. Because I only run mid-grade in my truck. I'm not running that cheesy stuff, and I don't have enough money to run that, so we just kind of split the difference. But we don't need any gas. We've got the batteries charged.
Yeah.
What more could you want for it? You know what I'm saying? See y'all on the water. Look at that. How about that?
That was money.
Getting ready. Game plan is to catch one 5 plus. It's always game plan. That's the game plan. Try not to puke. I don't feel good right now. Bad. Don't eat wings before you go fishing.
That's not. I gotta turn this way. There's my face. There's me and Johnny D. Wow, check that out. All three of us in the same shot. Look at that. I wasn't even thinking about this, man. Look at this. Boom.
Boom.
Like a boss, man.
I don't trust that thing.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't trust this thing?
Joby's a piece of crap.
All right. Joby, we don't trust your
Joby
product.
sucks.
Joby is crap.
Joby, don't sponsor us.
Joby, I put Joby up on the dang rock. He fell off.
Yeah, it's pretty tight down here, honestly.
Film the boat here. See how wide this boat is? Say 10 to 12 foot. Boat ramp is say 10 to 12 foot. Really gonna have to have precision on this one.
Show them this wall. I mean, this thing's pretty tight.
Spooky. Well, let's get it.
We'll have to. Truck's in the way. Big truck's in the way. You might just have to pull that way. Hey, pull out that way. You didn't like the way it felt. Come on. We're in. Straighten it up. Yeah. All right, whoa.
3 foot. 2 foot. Are you ready, Clay? Don't jump. Let me get this straight first. We'll just take a big scoop of water. Is that? You want me to hold your hand?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Coming in. Oh.
Look at the Ranger. Just soak up the.
The Ranger don't move.
It's one of the problems.
No, you're damn good. I really cut.
It's got me in the stick. It's a stick. It's a pretty good one.
Bigger than what we thought last time.
It's a good one.
That's a good one, for real. That's a good one.
It's like a 3.5, 4 pound. He didn't have me in a stick.
Not big.
He was just heavy, son. Look at that.
That's a healthy fish.
First fish of the day on the Yamamoto jig head with a big old monster. Who needs Guggen baits? 310.
Oh, man. All right, got it.
310, first fish of the day. Finesse fishing.
we really did just come on a bad day.
5 fish is what we're looking for. Don't jinx us, Johnny D.
Hey.
Let's get back to fishing.
I saw that. Look at him. Chill out, buddy. You're bleeding everywhere.
John just grabbed it.
Dead or door now.
That side, you got water that side.
Sometimes you gotta check the price and pay attention, like this one right here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a dink, son. Here we go. They run you into a dang stick, son. We better go.
We're teetering on a log that's directly under the boat.
I guess so. We'll crank it up.
We can't get the boat to come off of said tree, so we're cranking the wood right here. Hang on. Did we get off of it?
Yep. It's about to rain. Pretty bad looking storm. I'll tell y'all boys what. Not sure what the captain's plan up there is. But I'm preparing for the worst. So I got my nice Magellan rain jacket. Thanks, Academy.
Real dark out here. Thunder's starting to roll in. These clouds are looking wicked and they're moving quick. So we're going to, I guess, take a little break, see if we can get off here. But y'all stick with us, I guess. Hang in there.
Let's get it. Let's make this quick, boys. Lost my hat.
Better watch your engine. Your engine's gonna hit these freaking rocks. Woo! Get out of the water, John. Hang on, ho. This dude's in the garage. Hey.
John.
I ain't gonna lie to you, Johnny, that was scary.